Hello guys, today we will talk about how to install router IOS image in GNS3. First check the installed router IOS images. This is the router images that I already installed. Here you can see there is no any C7200 router. Let's install C7200 series router IOS image file. Go to Edit, then click on Preferences, then go to Dynamips, and click on IOS routers. Here you can see the router's images that is already installed. Let's install the new router image. Click on the new. Select the router IOS image you want to install. Click Next. Change the name of the router if you want. Click Next. Leave the RAM memory as a default. Click Next. Here you can see the empty slots. Select the ports for an empty slots one by one. Click Next. Click Finish. Here you can see our new install router R7200. Click Apply. Go to the router. Here you can see the new added router R7200. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.